AB, handy dandy equation, A plus B makes AB. All right, a simple synthesis equation. The molarity of A is 0.6, molarity of B is 0.6. Calculate the enthalpy of the reaction, delta H of the reaction for the formation of 1 mole of AB solution. All right, well, that's going to be pretty self-explanatory. All right, so what I would do is have moles of A equals moles B times moles of AB. Oops, moles AB. All right, it's not going to be any different. You can solve it. You can rearrange those any way you want in order to do that. All right, so if I did moles of AB, what would I have this equaling to?
Moles of A.
All right, moles of A over moles of B. Which equals? Yep.
Why is moles of A equal to moles of B?
I'm sorry, they're all equal. Sorry. Sorry, that's my fault. They're all equal. Why? 1, 1, 1.
Yeah.
All right, so 1, here, I'll put these in here for you. I should have put equals. So 1. All right, moles of A equals moles of B, moles of A. All right, 1, 1. If there was a 2 there, you put a 2 there and be ready to go. All right, so how am I going to solve for moles of AB? What do I have to do? Now remember, this is relating to question 3. All right, this is relating to question 3. All right, so what would I have to start with here? Here, let me clarify. So nobody got this answer? Or do you think you got this answer?
I think I got it.
You think you got it?
Yeah.
All right, so how many moles of AB do we have? Moles of A, excuse me, moles of A. You can use moles of A or B. How many do we have?
1.6.
All right, 0.60 mole. All right, now, what are we going to have to do to figure out what moles of AB we have? Well, we have to look at question 3 to see how many milliliters we had. Remember, this is molar. What does molar mean?
Moles per liter.
All right, moles equals moles per liter. So this is 0.60 moles per liter. Right? How many liters did we have of that? Point what? What's that? Times 0.025 liters. Right? And you cancel out your liters to figure out your moles of AB. Right? Let me erase that and make that a little bit clearer. Not liking this recording. 0.025 liters. All right, remember this is from question 3. From number 3. If I use B, would it change at all? No, it wouldn't change at all. So how many moles of AB do I have? What does it equal?
0.015.
All right, 0.015 mole AB. All right, not the answer, but we need that in order to do the problem. And it's a very simple problem. Once you calculate that and realize molarity is moles per liter, you took how many liters you had, 25 milliliters, converted to liters, multiplied by the molarity, you find the moles. I'm hoping you're feeling that. Yeah? Okay. All right. Might have to throw some money. Okay, so now what we have to do is figure out our delta H of the reaction. All right, and that's going to equal Q of the reaction divided by moles of AB. Okay, Q of the reaction divided by moles of AB. What is the Q of the reaction? Not 830 because we put it in a calorimeter. All right, what 862? The reaction, not the solution. The reaction is negative 862. Oops, 862 joules divided by I will need your help on that. I don't have an answer on that.
Negative 57466.
I'll just, all right. Yep. Nope. So it's not complicated if you can decipher the text. It's the same as every AP question. If you can decipher what it's saying and just get it out to what usable units, you should be fine. Okay. So negative 57 kilojoules per mole. All right, let's take a look at our data tables. Let me just do a quick save on this.